All right, what's going on YouTube? This is Alex from MotoredLife, and we have a special episode planned for you today. In fact, we got something one of a kind. So make sure, if you see anything you like in this episode, hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up, and hit that share. So we're gonna go ahead and get right into it today. So today, we, MotoredLife, and our friends over at Nakto, we are gonna be blessing a family with this e-bike here. So make sure you stay tuned, because we're getting in right into the details. Yeah. All right, before we get into all of the details about this awesome folding ox by Nakto, let me give you a little bit of backstory of what we're doing here. So, if you guys don't know my friend Steve, so unfortunately hard times have fallen on the best of us here. Now, if you don't know Steve, he's actually in the beginning of every single video you see. That part there, yeah, that's Steve. And in fact, one of my most popular videos is my trip out to the Chaos Customs garage, where we see everything they had to offer. That is an awesome video. Make sure you check out the link so you see all that. So, Steve has definitely done a lot for me. In fact, he's one of my bike mentors. He's kind of taught me a little bit of everything I know throughout all of the years that I've been doing this. In fact, I've known him for over a decade. He lives right in our own hometown. Now, unfortunately, like I said, hard times falling on the best of us. Steve has unfortunately shut down the shop, and he is leaving town forever, heading out to go out west to go start a better life out there. So today we are going to be giving back. We are going to be blessing him and his son Charles with this awesome folding ox 750 watt e-bike by Nakto. And in fact, our friends over at Nakto donated this to us to give especially to them. And not only are they getting this e-bike, they're actually getting a chance of a lifetime to join their affiliate program. So we have a lot planned for you today, and we're gonna go ahead and get over all of the details, everything about this awesome bike. So make sure you head over to the Nakto's website. They are awesome. Give them a click just for being awesome. Make sure you check out all of the awesome bikes they have. We have a couple versions of their bikes, and they have been great working with us throughout this entire project here. So make sure you go, give them a thumbs up, give them a view, just because they're awesome to work with. So let's go ahead and get right into the Nakto Folding Ox. All right, so you're kind of wondering why we're out at the lake today. So the plan is, Steve and Charles, they have no idea what's happening. In fact, I haven't told them anything about this. They think they're just coming to help me demo this e-bike here. And I told them we're going fishing, we're having a great day, so that's what's happening. They actually have no clue any of this is happening. So this is gonna be extremely fun because you know the secret. You know everything that's happening. They have no clue. So this is going to be an awesome surprise once we get all done. So let's go ahead and get into all of the details that make up this awesome e-bike thing. So let's go ahead and get right into it here. All right, once again, huge shout out to Nakto. In fact, please go over to the website, check out everything they have to offer. They are going to be a huge part of this huge dream that I'm making a reality for all of these people we're going to bless here. So let's go ahead and get right into this e-bike. In fact, this thing is a beast. I was really pleasantly surprised by all of the awesome features that this awesome bike has. And in fact, it is a 750 watt e-bike with 20-inch by 4 fat tires with those awesome orange inserts. So this guy has a 400 pound capacity. This guy has a 48 volt, 12 amp removable battery. And in fact, this seat folds up here, and then this guy pops right out of there. Awesome concept. I love the fact that you can take out that battery to charge it, and this guy folds right in half. So you can load it up, you can fold it, you can store it. It is an awesome option. And not only does it fold in half there at that lock, the pedals and everything also fold up. All right, and with everything folded up, this thing makes an awesome little tight compact package that you can get in the back of a car super easily. Upstairs, definitely a good option if you have limited space. It does have these awesome kind of almost ape hanger handlebars. You do have dual disc brakes front and back. They are manual pull. Now this guy goes all the way up to 28 miles an hour, which is flying on a 750 watt e-bike, especially with these 20-inch tires. Definitely torquey enough to get you up over these hills and definitely get you going. There's a nice little built-in headlight there that's nice and bright. Awesome ergonomic setup here. I'll tell you, it sits like a scooter, and with this step-through design, it is super low to the ground. So definitely good if you have any mobility issues or anything like that. This thing, you can hop on and hop right off. You have an awesome little rack built in, definitely nice and sturdy. And like I said, with these cool handlebars, here is kind of the cockpit. You do have an awesome decent screen here. Pull that off. Clear screen, and it does have 5 levels of power assist, and thumb throttle definitely get this guy going right up to that 28 miles an hour. All right, and like I said, huge shout out to Nakto. In fact, like I said, go over. They have an entire line of awesome folding e-bikes, awesome cruisers. We have several. In fact, if you remember the video we did on the Nakto Santa Monica, that thing is an awesome beast as well. So definitely a lot of really nice options, real good quality from Nakto. And the Folding Ox is definitely no exception to that. I think it is going to be an awesome option for Steve and Charles out there. In fact, they are moving out west. They're moving to Arizona. So I think this thing definitely will do good out in those rocky environment out there. Awesome e-bike option all around. And in fact, they have this guy right on sale right now. So make sure you check out that link. Check out the description. Check out everything they have to offer, because like I said, once again, these guys are awesome. So let's go ahead and get right into a little bit of a ride here so you can see how this thing performs out here on these trails. So let's do it. All right, if you guys are ready, follow me. I don't want to work, just sit at home all day. I don't want to work. Dance the blues away. I don't wanna work. Definitely some decent brakes on it. I don't wanna work. The 750 watt engine definitely gets this thing on the go. Remember when you're young. This thing definitely gets up to that 28 miles an hour. Every day. I don't want to. Now this thing does have extra long shocks, so I'm barely feeling any of these bumps here, which is great. I don't want to sleep. Gonna give the world a try. Every day, it'll be okay. The time will pass away, yeah, That was great. You know what, awesome? That thing was an absolute blast. That thing really gets up to that 28 miles an hour, and it takes all of those bumps, everything like a champ. These extra cushy forks are great. I don't know if you could tell, but I was really taking those bumps full stride without even bouncing my brain around any. So definitely two thumbs way up for the Nakto Folding Ox. This thing is going to be awesome, and I know they are going to absolutely love it. All right, so the Folding Ox definitely gets 2 thumbs up in my book. In fact, this thing is an absolute beast out here on the hills. They are going to love it. Now, this is the part of the video where things get serious. We're going to go pick up Steve. We're going to go pick up Charles. They have no idea what's happening. You guys all do. So this is going to be fun. Make sure you hit that thumbs up. Share if you guys want to see more of this kind of stuff. And hit that subscribe button. All right, so let's go ahead and get right into the fun part of the video here. Let's go ahead and give this e-bike to him. I have no clue. He's loving the e-bike right now. He's giving it a good test out. Charles is down there on the scoot. You got Steve. Liking it so far? This is pretty torquey. All right, Steve is having an absolute blast on this bike right now. He's out there cheesing, having fun, just laughing, having the time of his life. This couldn't be going any better. And it's funny because we all know what's really happening here. All right, let's go do it. We're gonna go fishing at the lake and do a little review on the e-bike they're testing out. So let's go check it out. This is awesome because we all know what's really happening here. They have no clue. They're just thinking we're just doing an e-bike review like normal. A little bit of commentary. He has no idea that they're about to take that bike home. Yes. Look how much fun he's having right now. Look at this. He's smiling. He's having so much fun right now. It's awesome. Look at Kid again. Yeah, the beard's flying, buddy. So you're liking the folding ox, huh?
I will say, for this little package, carrying around this big package, I'm quite impressed.
So out of all the other e-bikes, I mean, you've tested out a couple.
I've ridden about 5 or 6 e-bikes, big fat tire ones, skinny tire ones, first little tire one.
Uh-huh.
And out of 10, I'd say this is definitely in the top 3.
Nice, okay.
As well, I was worried about being a little wobbly.
Yeah.
With this extra little support that they've added, this is the first time I've seen this added.
Uh-huh.
It definitely makes a difference. Every other folding e-bike I've had, you still feel a flex.
Really? So this one you don't feel
I
that?
have not felt a flex on any of the bumpy roads, any of the bumpy trails.
So you definitely give a thumbs up for the folding ox, huh? 2 thumbs up. All right, guys. So from Steve himself. Now Charles is probably gonna take it out and have fun on it as well. Oh, that's Dorothy. Just one. Wait till he puts it up. Puts it up in the 5. Oh, now he's getting it. Look, he's achieving. No. Yeah? Yeah, it's fun. It's got the torque, doesn't it? So you give this one a thumbs up now. All right, so thumbs up from both of them. That's awesome. This is great. Steve just went off on his new bike with his fishing pole went that way. Just cheese it. This is great. They have no idea what's about to come their way. Charles has been riding the Varla all day. We're out here fishing, having a great time. They're catching frogs and everything. They have no clue what's about to happen. So if you guys are ready, I'm gonna get this all. I'm just gonna act like I'm just getting ready to film an outro, and then we're gonna get all into how much I appreciate and how much I really appreciate and enjoy, the friendship that we've had throughout these years. So let's do it. You ready? I'm ready. I'm nervous. I'm nervous. This is funny. All right, so we have had an awesome day out here fishing, out here testing out the Nakto Folding Ox 750 watt beast. In fact, guys, you want to come over here real quick? In fact, I know this is a little unusual. Steve, you want to stand right here? Charles, you want to stand over here? So guys, I really appreciate you guys. I don't know if I've really told you guys how much I appreciate you. You guys have really been a big help. You're one of my mentors on bikes. I would have none of this.
We got the bikes, you got the computers.
Exactly. If I wouldn't,
we're both computer and bikes.
Exactly. And honestly, I'm really happy for everything that you guys have done. I wouldn't have any of this without you guys. So, on behalf of MotoredLife, on behalf of Nakto, we would like to present you guys with the Nakto Folding Ox for you guys to take home and use and take to Arizona with you. Yes, I figured your mom.
My mom is going to love this thing. She was worried about the one we have because it's so big, and she didn't think she'd be able to ride it. But I mean, with her legs, she'll be able to step right through this and just, oh man.
So I know the other e-bike is kind of going out, so I figured this, this is an awesome way to repay you guys here. I know it's been a lot. Well, I definitely, some of my most popular videos are really because of you guys. And I mean,
we just do what we love, just like you.
You've taught me a lot, so this is your guys'. You get to take it home. And one more thing, honestly, that really does it. Thank you once again to Nakto here. Not only are they taking home this bike here, they are giving you guys a chance to join their affiliate program. So if you guys make videos, post links, people buy your stuff, you are now officially part of the Nakto affiliate program. Now, of course, with my help, my mentorship, we're going to make a couple videos, but we're going to give you guys infinite pie. So you guys are now.
And when we're moving up in the mountains in Arizona,
This will be perfect.
These are
So
gonna be
watching you
amazing.
guys throughout the entire day has been unbelievable because you've really enjoyed it, and I really think this would be a great addition to your guys' fleet. And I hope having the opportunity,
That's cool.
to be an affiliate, a real YouTuber affiliate,
I can't wait for you for that.
it's a
man.
dream for you. It's a dream for you. And honestly, I'm happy that Nakto, once again, you guys check them out in
Thank
the
you,
links.
Nakto.
Thank you.
Make sure you guys give them a shout out because they are the ones that made this happen. So honestly, yeah,
MotoredLife.
you guys have been great. No, I really appreciate everything.
That's awesome.
All right, guys, hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe. If you guys like this type of video, like I said, we might try the Mr. Beast of e-bikes thing. Thank you again to Nakto. They're going to be donating us a bunch of different e-bikes to do a bunch of cool stuff with. So make sure you hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next version of this awesome dream.
Later.
See ya. All right, once again, guys, this was a fun episode. I really enjoyed doing this. If you guys like this kind of stuff, make sure you hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe. I really appreciate all of you because you are actually the real reason all this is happening. I couldn't do any of this without you guys. So this is all one big dream that we are all living together. So I will see you guys on the next one. I really appreciate it. We'll see ya. Deuces.
I don't wanna work, just sit